Setting up the SprayPort 6003 is very straightforward. First, unpack the box and check all parts are present and in good shape. Next, plug the power cord into the turbine. Attach the nut at the end of the air hose to the air outlet on the turbine, being careful that it's screwed on all the way. Join the quick connect hose attachment to the air inlet on the spray gun. If it won't connect, loosen the quick connect fittings on the hose by unscrewing a little before connecting to the gun. Then, retighten. Okay, now that you've got your 6003 all assembled, it's time to run some tests. You always want to have a scrap piece off to the side of your project to do your tests on. It could be paper, cardboard, or a piece of wood, it doesn't matter. But you got to have something to do some test spraying on. So here's your first rule. 6 inches is a magic number. With HVLP, for a fine finish, you want that gun to be 6 inches from your project at all times. When you're farther away, you're going to compensate by increasing the flow rate and you end up with spit. So if your gun's spitting, the first thing you want to check is your distance from your project, 6 inches. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Now you can see how nice and even that coating is. If I step back twice as far to 12 inches, it doesn't give you as nice a coating and it's starting to break up that pattern too much. You're going to end up with orange peel here. 6 inches makes all the difference in the world and you just want to be close. You also need to apply a wet coat with each pass. If you go too fast, that's not a wet coat. Those droplets aren't touching each other. It's never going to level correctly. Slow down your process a little bit, overlap 50%, staying perpendicular and parallel to the project at all times. That's all there is to it. If you need more information, make sure you check your owner's manual or live chat us at Earlex.com. Thanks for watching.